Do you want your YouTube channel to sparkle like magic? The things that will make your YouTube channel stand out and be getting viewers, be getting subscribers more than you ever think is find special words. There are special words for every YouTube channel on this YouTube. How we are going to do it is that we are going to find out special words for your channel. In YouTube, there are words, special words for every YouTube channel on YouTube. These special words are what will bring viewers, subscribers, that thing you want to achieve in YouTube. Number one thing that will help you get it is finding those special words meant for your channel. We call them keywords. In this video, just watch it till I'm going to show you free AI that will help you grab those special words, those keywords meant for your channel. Is that those keywords are the words that your YouTube channel will use to fly. The keywords that are meant for your channel. So your channel will be visible. Your channel will be attractive. Will be attracting viewers and subscribers. Before you get subscribers, you have to get to view. They need to view your content before they subscribe. Alright? So come to your browser and type It's ChatGPT that will help you get all the keywords you need for your videos. Alright? So this is it. Once you come to ChatGPT, you click on here. You say, you tell ChatGPT, talk to ChatGPT as if he's a human being that you need help from him. Alright? Tell ChatGPT, please help me write out 20 most relevant keywords for my YouTube channel. I am on how to grow on YouTube niche. I asked ChatGPT to give me most 20 relevant keywords for my channel. Remember that whenever you are searching anything on ChatGPT, remember to highlight this search and highlight reasoning. It will help it to give you better answers. Okay, so got the 20 most relevant keywords that ChatGPT gave me. These keywords are so special. This is the magic that will be helping your videos get views on YouTube. So what do? You come here and copy it. Then go to your YouTube studio. Allow it to then go to your customize. Right, to your settings, go to customize, click on it. It's going to open up like this. If you have not done this on your channel, my darling, what are you waiting for? Go and add the keywords on your channel. Alright? Add all these keywords. This is what will be helping you, be helping people to locate, alright, to locate you, locate your videos. So this is where you come and paste it. This place that they say description, okay, this is where you come and paste it. Once you see your video description, are you seeing mine? This is mine. So you just come here video in your channel description. Just come here and paste all the keywords. These are the things that will be helping people too that are searching for things about your channel to locate you. You just come here and paste it and save it. Remember, whenever you paste anything, you have to click on publish. Click on publish so that what you pasted will be saved. If you want to grow on YouTube, you will need YouTube tips and tricks. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me whatever you want to ask, leave a comment on this question, and if I see your comment, I will go and subscribe to your channel. Alright? And please like this video. Bye. See you in my next video. Peace out.